Hello. Welcome to this multiple choice quiz from Driver Training Ltd. It's time to test your learner knowledge. In this edition, we will ask you 2 questions about learning to drive. Without further delay, let's get started. First question, and you are up against the clock. Question 1. What are rumble strips? Are they A. Zigzag lines across the road, B. The noise you make when hungry, C. Yellow lines across the road, D. Similar to chicken dippers? Time is up, and the answer is C. They are generally yellow or white lines painted across a road to warn you of an upcoming hazard, and they make a noise as you go over them. Did you guess that correctly? If you did, then, well done! For more of an idea about rumble strips, why not check out our YouTube or TikTok pages at Driver Training Ltd. Let's go for the next one. Question number 2. Ready? Start the timer. What is the national speed limit on dual carriageways for cars? Is it A. 60, B. 70, C. 50, D. 75? Time is up, and the correct answer is B. 70 miles per hour. As you can see, for cars on dual carriageways, the national speed limit is, indeed, 70 miles per hour. I hope you got this one right.
We are arriving at the end of this quick quiz. We hope that you enjoyed it. Well done everyone, your brain just grew a little bit bigger. As we said earlier, don't forget to follow us on here for more great driving hints and tips. That's all for now. Happy quizzing! Thanks for joining us at Driver Training. My name is Natasha. Thanks for joining us. Drive safely. And we will see you all again soon.